जो अपने देश के लिए लड़ता है वो अमर हो जाता है. One who fights for their country becomes immortal. His determination echoed through his words. आजादी सिर्फ एक सपना नहीं, एक हक है जो हमें लेना पड़ेगा. Freedom is not just a dream; it is a right we must claim. Despite the challenges, he inspired others with his undying resolve. मिट्टी की कसम, मैं अपने वतन को आजाद करके रहूंगा. I swear by the soil, I will free my homeland. This fearless leader lit the flame of freedom, showing the world that गुलामी की जंजीरें तोड़ना हर भारतीय का फर्ज है. He quoted, अंग्रेजी हुकूमत को मिटाना हमारा लक्ष्य है और इसके लिए हमें अपनी जान भी देनी पड़ती है. तो इसमें कोई डर नहीं है.
जागी जागी है धरती सारी और जागा जागा है अंबर. जागी जागी है नदियां सारी और जागा जागा है सागर. जागो मंगल 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 हो. मंगल 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 हो. जागे नगर सारे जागे हैं घर सारे जागा है हर गाँव. जागी है बगिया तो जागे हैं पेड़ों जागी है पेड़ों की छाँव. मंगल 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 हो. मंगल 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 हो. मंगल 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 हो.
For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. The Queen of Jhansi is celebrated as one of the most courageous figures in India's struggle for independence. She is the shining symbol of India's struggle for freedom. She was one of the most iconic leaders of India's first war of independence in 1857. Known for her bravery during the 1857 revolt, she stood against the British rule with unparalleled courage. Renowned for her valor and patriotism, she led her troops into battle, fearlessly defending her kingdom and challenging British forces. Her iconic image of battling on horseback with her young son tied to her back represents her undying spirit and love for her motherland. In 1858, during a fierce battle, she valiantly fought against British forces, but was ultimately martyred. Her immortal words, "I shall not surrender my Jhansi," resonate as a testament to her indomitable spirit. Her leadership and tactical brilliance were evident in her defense of Jhansi and her later campaigns. Her unwavering spirit and sacrifice continue to evoke pride and serve as a beacon of hope and
क्या करती हूँ। जब तक मेरे शरीर में रक्त है, मैं पूर्ण निष्ठा से झांसी की सेवा करूँ।
Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907 in Banga, Punjab. He was influenced by Jallianwala Bagh massacre and the revolutionary ideas of his family. He was executed on March 23, 1931, along with Rajguru and Sukhdev. At the age of 23, Bhagat Singh is remembered as a fearless revolutionary whose sacrifice continues to inspire India's fight for justice and freedom. He said, "The ones who have lived their lives for others, their lives are not small. They have made their own history. If I die in the fight for freedom, I will be happy. I will die, but my sacrifice will inspire the future generations."
Subhash Chandra Bose was a prominent leader in India's struggle for independence. He believed in the power of armed resistance and formed the Indian National Army (INA) to fight against British rule. Known for his famous slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," his mysterious death in 1945 left many questions.
I am not a man to bend before oppression. I believe in the power of struggle and sacrifice. For it is through the blood of the brave that freedom is born. The British Empire cannot hold us forever. For a nation of proud and determined people will never remain slaves. The road to independence is not through meek submission, but through revolt, through the fire of revolution. My call to my fellow countrymen is simple. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. No force can shatter the spirit of a free nation.
सरहद पे चले सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है, माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगाओ मेरी निशानी है। सरहद पे चले सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है, माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगाओ मेरी निशानी है। सूरज की तरह सर चढ़ते हम पर्वत को गिरा के बढ़ते हम चट्टान से छोड़े सीनों में तूफान उठाना है, जोश में सरफरोश मर जाना है। बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो, रुकना नहीं झुकना नहीं, बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो, अपने के साथ है एक दिशा, बढ़ते चलो।
Mahatma Gandhi, the father of Indian independence movement, believed in the transformative power of non-violence and truth. He famously said, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world," emphasizing personal responsibility in creating a better society. Gandhi often spoke of compassion and restraint, asserting an eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. For him, true strength came from inner will, not physical might. As he stated, strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. He was deeply committed to service, believing the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Gandhi also held the view that freedom is not worth having if it does not include freedom to make mistakes. Reflecting his belief in the importance of personal growth and learning, his philosophy continues to inspire people around the world, with its focus on peace, self-discipline, and social justice. He said, strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. The human spirit, when driven by unwavering determination, can overcome any obstacle. We must learn to draw our strength from within and rise above our circumstances. It is not the circumstances that define us, but our response to them that shapes our destiny.
पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, सारे कांपे घर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। पन्ना उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तार। वंदे मातरम 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 वंदे
महान नेता होते हैं उजाले की तरह, हर अंधकार में जलते हैं दिए की तरह। उनके विचार बनाते हैं राह नहीं, संघर्षों में मिलती है शक्ति वही। विरासत उनकी रहती है अमर निशानी, हर दिन में बसती है उनकी कहानी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।